Hello, everyone. If you've ever lost WhatsApp data on your Android device or accidentally deleted important chats and media, you might be wondering how to recover it easily with DroidKit. In this video, we'll show you how to retrieve that data in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, launch DroidKit on your computer and select WhatsApp Recovery from the Data Recovery mode to begin. Click Start button to connect your Android device using a USB cable. Once detected, the interface will show your device as connected successfully. Click the Start button to back up your WhatsApp chats on the source Android device. DroidKit will then scan your device data. Please be patient. During the scan, a pop-up will prompt you to encrypt the backup for data safety. Enter the code 1234 on your phone screen and click Backup My Data. DroidKit will automatically scan for deleted data, which may take some time. After scanning, you can preview the deleted data and select the items you want to restore to PC. Once recovery is complete, click View Files to check your restored WhatsApp data. Thanks for your watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up.